Hey, Newbie Dan here, and I've got a question for you. Where do you buy your Baltic Birch Plywood? Of course, that's assuming you do buy Baltic Birch Plywood, but assuming you do, where do you buy it? Here's the thing. I want to do a video explaining what Baltic Birch Plywood is and why it's good, and I will do that video, but I don't know how much good that'll do if people don't know where to buy it. I mean, it's unlikely they'll be able to just walk into a Home Depot or Lowe's and find it. So I'm asking you to leave a comment to not only explain where you buy it, but also how you found the store in the first place, so you can help others figure out how to find a store near them. For example, I found the store I buy it from by talking with the local contractor, and that's one of the things I would suggest that people do. So please chime in and help out a fellow newbie. Sorry, no prizes, just a warm fuzzy feeling that you helped someone out. By the way, there's no reason for me to reply to each of your comments individually, so I'll just kick back and read along with everyone else. Thanks!